हेलो फ्रेंड, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। अगर आप इस चैनल में न्यू हैं तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। आज हम इस वीडियो में स्पीडी करंट अफेयर के टोटल 800 एमसीक्यू में से 200 एमसीक्यू करेंगे आज। ठीक है, करते हैं एमसीक्यू सॉल्व। देखिए, पहला क्वेश्चन है, रिसेंटली हु हैज़ ऑन द फर्स्ट गोल्ड मेडल फॉर इंडिया इन पैरा ओलंपिक्स 2020। क्या आंसर होगा इसका? आंसर है अवनी लेखरा। व्हाट इज़ द नेम ऑफ द ऑपरेशन लॉन्च्ड बाय गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया टू रिस्क्यू द स्टैंडर्ड इंडियन फ्रॉम तालिबान ऑक्युपाइड अफगानिस्तान। ये रिसेंटली हुआ था। कौन ऑपरेशन लॉन्च किया गया था गवर्नमेंट के द्वारा? ऑपरेशन देवी शक्ति। उसके बाद रिसेंटली द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ विच स्टेट हैज डिसाइडेड टू adopt wrestling game by the year 2032। उत्तर प्रदेश। When is World Entrepreneur Day celebrated every year? 21st August। Where has NTPC launched India's first floating solar photovoltaic project at its सिमहड्री थर्मल पावर स्टेशन डिपोजिटरी? इसका आंसर है आंध्र प्रदेश। व्हाट इज़ द थीम ऑफ इंटरनेशनल डे ऑफ रिमेम्बरेंस एंड ट्रिब्यूट 2021 सेलिब्रेटेड बाय यूनाइटेड नेशन ऑन 21 अगस्त 2021? इसका आंसर कहाँ? कनेक्शन। थीम है कनेक्शन। उसके बाद विच कंट्री हैज़ रिसेंटली साइंड कंप्लीट गाइडेंस डॉक्यूमेंट विद इंडिया टू बूस्ट नेवल रिलेशन? विच कंट्री? कंप्लीट गाइडेंस डॉक्यूमेंट। ऑस्ट्रेलिया। हु हैज़ रिसेंटली डिक्लेयर्ड हिमसेल्फ एज द एक्टिंग प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ अफगानिस्तान आफ्टर प्रेसिडेंट अशरफ गनी फ्लेड द कंट्री? अमरुल्ला स्ले। ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है। 9 का देखते हैं। हु हैज़ अपॉइंटेड एज द एम्बेसडर ऑफ एडवेंचर टूरिज्म इन केरला? इसका आंसर होगा PR श्रीजेश। उसके बाद रिसेंटली विच मिनिस्ट्री हैज़ लॉन्च्ड ए लोगो एंड ब्रांड नेम सोन चिड़िया टू प्रमोट द मार्केट प्रोडक्ट ऑफ सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप? Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs। Recently, which hockey player has been awarded the Biju Patnaik Khel Ratna award by Odisha government? Amit Rohidas। Which actor has been appointed as the brand ambassador of देश के मेंटर प्रोग्राम बाय द चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ दिल्ली? सोनू सूद। रिसेंटली हु हैज बिकम द फर्स्ट वुमेन गवर्नर ऑफ न्यूयॉर्क? कैथी होचल। विच इंस्टीट्यूट हैज रिसेंटली मेड इंडिया फर्स्ट इंडिजिनियस मोटराइज्ड व्हील चेयर नियोबोल्ट? IIT Madras। Recently, who had received the Best Actress award at the Indian Film Festival of Melbourne Award 2021? Vidya Balan। Which state has recently become India's first e-vehicle friendly highway? Delhi Chandigarh Highway। Recently, in which state of India first smoke tower has been installed? Delhi। Which state government has recently launched Rajiv Gandhi Gramin भूमिहीन मजदूर न्याय योजना? छत्तीसगढ़। What has been renamed by Defense Minister Rajnath Singh as the Army Sport Institute located in Pune. Neeraj Chopra Stadium. Recently, who has become the first state in India to vaccinate 100% of adult population? Himachal Pradesh. Where is India's first water villa being built at an estimated cost of 800 crore? Lakshadweep. Recently, the government of India has changed the name of its highest sports honor, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, to what? Major Dhyan Chand Khel Ratna Award. Recently, who has become the first woman director of Geological Survey of India? Dhriti Banerjee. 24. What is the target loan disbursement amount for the financial year 2021 to 22 under Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana? Target loan disbursement amount rupees 3 trillion. Which organization has recently developed India's first earthquake early warning mobile app? Uttarakhand Earthquake Alert. IIT Roorkee. SEBI has allocated a unique number ISIN for identification of issues on credit security. What is the full form of ISIN? International Security Sign Number. Recently, which ministry has launched an organization, Garima Grih, to provide safe shelter to transgender person? Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Recently, which bank has been honored a Digital Banking Award by the Banker? DBS Bank. The government of India, which state has recently banned the use of Gorak Dhanda? The word Gorak Dhanda. 29. The answer is C, Haryana. Recently, which has become the first national park of India to be equipped with satellite phone? Kaziranga National Park. In which state India's first drone forensic laboratory and research center has been started recently? Kerala. On which date has PM Modi announced every year to celebrate Partition Honor Remembrance Day? On 14 August. 15 अगस्त के पहले का एक दिन. Recently, the government of which state had announced to give Rajiv Gandhi Award in the field of IT? Maharashtra. Recently, the Athletic Federation of India has announced to celebrate Javelin Throw Day every year. On which date honor of Neeraj Chopra? On 7 August. Which anniversary of Agast Kranti Day was celebrated all over India on 8 August 2021? 79th. How many medals did India win in Tokyo Olympics 2020? 7. Recently, which city has become the first city in India to have 100% vaccination against COVID-19? Bhubaneswar. Recently, who has won the title of Miss India USA 2021? Vaidhi Dongri. Recently, which state has become the first state in India to give reservation in government jobs to the transgender community? Karnataka. Where will 77th edition of International Army Game to be held in the year 2021? Russia. What is the rank of India in Global Youth Development Index 2021 released by Commons Secretariat London? 122nd. Which is the most polluted city in the world according to the report released by British company Hi-Fresh? Answer is Hotan. Earth observation satellite EOS-03 was launched by which space agency on 12 August 2020, which failed? ISRO. Recently, for the first time between India and which country, Al Mohid Al Hindi 2021 exercise will be organized? India, Saudi Arabia. Whereas has the Indian Air Force recently constructed the world's tallest mobile air traffic control ATC tower? Ladakh. Recently, the 127th Constituent Amendment Bill 2021 was passed by Parliament. What is it related to? The state and the union territory with the right to make their OBC list. After how many years commercial and private vehicle will be scrapped under the recently launched vehicle scrap policy? 15 years, 20 years respectively. Which state union territory will host India's first Himalayan Film Festival? Ladakh. In which state are Vindhwas Wildlife Sanctuary and Sultanpur National Park included in the list of Ramsar recently? Haryana. This is important question. Recently, which Indian woman has been appointed as woman spokesperson in the United Nations? Joya Agarwal. What is the theme of the 75th Independence Day celebration of India? Nation first, always first. In which of the following African countries the first case of Marburg virus has been reported? Guinea. Who has become the first woman from India to win medal in 2 consecutive Olympic Games along with winning the bronze medal in Tokyo Olympics? Answer is PV Sindhu. In which city will India major biennial military exhibition DEF Expo 2022 be organized? Gandhinagar. Indian men hockey team has won bronze medal after 41 years by defeating which country in Tokyo Olympics? Germany. Who is the author of recently published book Nehru, Tibet and China? Avtar Singh Bhasin. Pani Mah campaign has been started by which state union territory recently? Ladakh. Recently, which country has become the fifth country to sign the International Solar Alliance Framework Agreement? Germany. Recently, who has become the youngest person to climb world's second highest peak K2? Sahroj Kasif. Recently, Indian Idol 12 winner Pavandeep Rajan has been appointed as the brand ambassador of art, culture and tourism of which state? Uttarakhand. According to the report of the Economist Intelligence Unit, which has got the first place in the list of safest cities in the world? Copenhagen, Denmark. India and which country have signed an agreement to purchase AK-103 rifle on August 2021? Answer is Russia. Which medal was won by Amit Khatri of India in under 20 athletics champion recently in 10,000 meter walk? Silver medal. Which campaign has been launched recently by the Ministry of Jal Shakti under the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav function? Sujalam campaign. Which has become the first state in India to declare Sanskrit as an official language? Uttarakhand. With which country India recently signed an agreement on a 3-year joint program in agriculture sector? Israel. The central government has recently decided to celebrate birthday of which Indian politician as Parakram Divas? Subhash Chandra Bose. In which state was the first Khelo Indian Sport School of Northeast India inaugurated? Meghalaya. On which river was the world's largest floating solar power project built recently? Narmada River. Which has become the first fully electrified railway zone in the country? West Central Railway. On which river the world's highest railway arch bridge has been constructed in Jammu and Kashmir? Chenab River. With which country India has started SCRI initiative to reduce dependence on China? Both A and B, the Japan and Australia both. Launchpad scheme was recently launched by which state government? B. Madhya Pradesh. Sangarakshan Shamata Mahotsav Saksham 2021 was organized by which ministry? Ministry of Petroleum. Who became the 38th district of Tamil Nadu? Mahila Dutharai. Which of the following person has been honored with Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Scientific Award 2021? Amit Kesarwani. For which sector did Home Minister Amit Shah launch the single window clearance system, coal mine. Recently, the Suez Canal was blocked by large cargo ship of which country? Taiwan. Which ministry recently organized the Global Bio India 2021? Ministry of Science and Technology. Through which launch vehicle did ISRO launch 18 and other satellites including Brazil Amazonia 1? PSLV C-51. In which of the following Union Territories PASA Act was the subject to controversy recently? Lakshadweep. With which institution the Government of India has recently signed a loan agreement to improve water transport in West Bengal? World Bank. Who was honored with the BBC Indian Sportswomen of the Year 2021? Koneru Hampi. Which organization has recently launched the country's first nano urea liquid? IFCO. Which bank has recently launched Kavach personal loan scheme? SBI Bank. Which rapid antigen test kit has been approved by the Indian Council of Medical Research ICMR to test COVID-19 at home? Covishield. The country's first fire park was started in which state? Odisha. According to World Air Quality Report 2020, which of the following has been declared the world's most populated capital? New Delhi. Which country has chosen as the focus in the 51st International Film held in Goa? Bangladesh. Kaja Kallas has recently been appointed as the first woman Prime Minister of which country? Estonia. Which bank has recently launched Smartup Unnati program for women entrepreneurs? HDFC Bank. Which country has recently started the first largest vaccination clinic to prevent COVID epidemic? New Zealand. In which city of Uttar Pradesh Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone for the memorial of Maharaja Sulhedev through video conferencing? Bahraj. In which city of Bahraj? In which of its neighboring country India is building the Sahatut Dam? Afghanistan. Who has given the Best Actor Award at the Dada Saheb Phalke International Film Award 2021? Akshay Kumar. In which state the world's oldest animal fossil was discovered recently? Madhya Pradesh. World's oldest animal fossil. Recently, which state government has announced to build Dakat Museum? Madhya Pradesh. In which country is the world's largest floating solar platform being built? Singapore. Which North American company has recently declared malaria free by the World Health Organization? EI Salvador. What is the lighthouse project related to? providing eco-friendly strong house. Which app has launched by Government of India for the registration of COVID-19 vaccine? This is CoWIN. In which country recently the Freedom Pineapple campaign was in discussion? Taiwan. Which country recently excluded from the Farzad B gas field project by Iran? India. Recently, which country has India decided to work on the anti-torpedo defense system? Said Israel. Which famous Indian city has recently invented solar heated tent for the use of Indian Army? Soman Wangchuk. Which ministry has launched Sehat OPD portal? Ministry of Defense. Jasmine Harrison recently became the youngest woman in the world to cross Atlantic Ocean. Which country does he belong to? Britain. Recently, which state has started a special pink booth for vaccination of women? Uttar Pradesh. Recently, which person of India origin has been awarded with Abu Dhabi highest civilian award? Yusuf Ali. Which country military squad was included in the parade of Republic Day 2021? Bangladesh. Which country first Buddhist theme park has been built in which state? Madhya Pradesh. Which country has recently rejoined the Paris Climate Agreement? America. Recently, which newspaper was given the title of Champion Publisher of the Year? The Hindu Group. In which state Arjun irrigation project has been constructed on Dhasan River? Uttar Pradesh. Who got the first position in the recently released Municipal Performance Index by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs? B. Indore. ISRO has decided to develop Earth System Observatory in collaboration with which space agency? NASA. Which state government has declared 2021 as the Student of Year of Education? Arunachal Pradesh. Night safari has been started in 3 national parks of which state recently? Madhya Pradesh. Geologist of which country discovered 1.6 billion year old water on Earth? Canada. What is the rank of India in the Renewable Energy Index released by EY recently? Third. According to the World Air Quality Report released by the IQ, New Delhi ranked among the first most populated country in the world. 10th position. Which country has recently become India's top trader partner in China? Japan has recently started hydrogen production from brown coal in collaboration with which country? Australia. Who has been appointed the chairman of Committee of Champion and Legend by the International Boxing Association? Mary Kom. In which state Geological Survey of India recently discovered vanadium reserve? Arunachal Pradesh. Where was the Indo-Korean Friendship Park inaugurated recently? New Delhi. Who won the gold medal in 25-meter air pistol and in the ISSF World Cup held in New Delhi? Chinky Yadav. By which year the Government of India has selected target 100% electrification on broad gauge routes? By 2023. Which of the following organizations has developed oxygen concentrator named SOVAS? ISRO. With whom Indian company CleanMax has signed an agreement to achieve target of 100% renewable energy? Facebook. Where is India's first vertical tower forest, Mana Foresta, being built? Bangalore. In which ocean genome mapping project has been launched for the first time? Indian National Institute of Oceanography, Indian Ocean. Which state got the first position in the Indian Innovation 2020 read by Niti Aayog? Karnataka. This is important question. With the aim of doubling the income of farmers, which state government launched Kisan Kalyan Mission? Uttar Pradesh. In which state fruit cake movement was in discussion recently? Fruit cake. Maharashtra. With the aim of reducing rising mortality due to pneumonia, which government has launched SANS campaign? Madhya Pradesh. Which country won the title of Men Handball World Champion held in Egypt in February 2021? Denmark. Which state government has recently announced to allow commercial cannabis cultivation? Himachal Pradesh. Which country has established the first underwater space telescope, which will search for neutrinos? Russia. Recently, which Scorpion submarine has been inducted by the Indian Navy, which is known as Silent Killer? INS Karanj. Where will be the PABI anti-terror 2021 exercise be organized by SCO member countries? Pakistan. Recently, which endangered species has been included in the list of red list by IUCN? African elephant. Where was the Asia's largest air show, Aero India 2021, organized recently? Bangalore. The recently launched scheme Mission Indradhanush 3.0 is related to extension of vaccination. Recently, which country has organized military exercise Aster X for the first time in space? France. Which CRPF women personnel contingent has been included in the Special Commando Force Cobra for the first time? 34th. Recently, which country mountaineer Tasang Inhung set the record for fast Everest climb in the world? Hong Kong. Recently, which state announced the new tourism policy 2021 to 25? Gujarat. With which country India decided to celebrate the year 2001 as Environment Year? France. Which state police has launched Mission Hausala? Mission Hausala to supply essential material to COVID-19 patients? Uttarakhand. Which female player got the first place in T20 international ranking released by ICC on June 2021? Shefali Verma. Which of the following organizations has launched SWAS, an Arab loan scheme for MSME? SIDBI. Oxygen recycling system was started by the following which to tackle oxygen crisis? Indian Navy. The president of which country was awarded the highest award, African Tebrahim Prize? Niger. According to the recently released report, which country was the largest arms exporter in the world during 2016 to 20? USA. What is the rank of India in COVID-19 response index released by Levy Institute? 86th position. Which Indian politician was awarded Global Energy and Environment Leadership Award? Narendra Modi. Mission Oxygen Self-Reliance Scheme was launched by which state government? Maharashtra. The limit of foreign direct investment in insurance has been increased from 49% to how much? 74%. What was the theme of the Economic Survey 2020 to 21? Saving lives and livelihood. This is again important question. Recently, which country former Prime Minister was honored Padma Vibhushan about 2021? Japan. Which country has become the first country to receive a free COVID vaccine under World Health Organization COVAX scheme? Ghana. Recently, who became the youngest female pilot of the country? Aisha Aziz. Recently, which government released 16-digit Unicode to reduce the land-related dispute? Uttar Pradesh. With the aim of attracting foreign investment, which country recently implemented new citizenship policy? UAE, United Arab Emirates. Which team won the Syed Mushtaq Ali T20 Trophy 2021? Tamil Nadu. Where will the second Sports Indian University Games to be organized in the 2021? Karnataka. Which became the first metro service in India to sanitize metro coaches in ultraviolet ray? Lucknow Metro. According to the recently released announcement, which state flower processing center will be established? Karnataka. In which city India's first Center for Conservation and Management of Wetland will be established? Chennai. For which sector the Mitra scheme has been started? Mitra. Textile. Which country IPO initial public offer will be issued? LIC. On which river 520 megawatt Tapovan Vishnugad project is damaged due to glacier break in Uttarakhand? Dhauli Ganga. The world's most powerful supercomputer has been developed by Japan, which is named as Fugaku. This is again important. Fugaku. Which country has launched Green Initiative to tackle climate change? Saudi Arabia. Which space agency has developed the world's largest and powerful space science telescope? James Webb Space Telescope. NASA. Which state government has decided to make golden card under Ayushman Bharat Yojana? Uttar Pradesh. In which state was the 11th National Culture Festival organized by the Ministry of Culture and Tourism recently? West Bengal. Which Indian female cricketer has become first Indian player to score 10,000 runs in international cricket? Mithali Raj. Which state union territory stood first in Khelo India Winter Games? Jammu and Kashmir. In which state Jala Abhisekan Water Conservation Company was started? Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh government has recently announced change the name of Hosangabad city to what? Narmadapuram. Which country has recently announced to build the world's first energy island? Denmark. Recently, which organization declared the 2000 worst year on record due to COVID? World Tourism Organization. Which country has recently announced to set up world's largest wind energy plant by 2030? South Korea. COVID Fateh campaign was launched by state government recently. Punjab. Google Cloud has tied up with which space under the Starlink project? SpaceX. Recently, which country became the world's second largest oil supplier to India, leaving behind Saudi Arabia? America. Recently, the government of which Indian territory has presented Desh Bhakti budget? Delhi. Who was awarded the Best Film Award at the Dada Saheb Phalke International Award 2021? Best Film. Tanhaji, Unsung Warrior. Which organization has recently become the co-organizer of the International Climate Summit 2021? Invest India. Which institute has recently signed a Memorandum of Understanding MOU with National Nature Authority to strengthen India's response to COVID-19 crisis? IIT Delhi. Which organization launched integrated marketing communication campaign बदलाव हमसे है? Okay. This is AU Small Finance Bank. Which country has been declared Water Plus City by Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs? Indore and Madhya Pradesh. Which is the first Indian cryptocurrency exchange to become a unicorn company? CoinDCX. Which financial institution has recently launched a digital platform, Digital Prayas, to provide loan to low-income entrepreneurs? SIDBI. Which is the first bank in India to register 1 crore FASTag user? Paytm Payment Bank. Which is the first Indian Navy ship to visit the heritage coast port of Gopalpur in Odisha? INS Dagger, which is the first country in the world to patent sorry friend, this video up to 98, in second video starting from 199. Okay, please, if you are new in the channel, please subscribe and click like button. Thank you.